Let me give you steps towards getting a home equity line of credit, HELOC. Just as you build your credit and get a credit card, you also build equity on your home when you make your monthly mortgage payment and reduce your debt. That is called your equity. So simple, how do you use that equity for your benefit? So let's say you have an equity in the house of 50% or more. Now you can take the HELOC loan from the bank. Stay till last minute for the bonus tip so you can retire from your job. Buying another home for leasing out or to buy a retail center to collect the monthly income is possible through getting a home equity line of credit. But is that all? No. I used to be a mortgage banker years ago, and I would get clients looking for home equity line of credit to make one payment, maybe for all the debts they have accrued. You can now combine them all and make one payment and get debt-free by planning it out accurately. Second, you can use for home improvement. You have major improvement which can get you a lot of money when you sell, and you want to enjoy it too. This is the way you can use the home equity line of credit. You can also do the investing. Besides in real estate, you can invest in any other endeavor. Call it stocks, mutual fund, private hedge fund, whatever, where you want to invest the money because you see the growth, then go ahead, use the home equity line of credit. In fact, I remember one of the grandparents had come to my bank to take a home equity line of credit to pay their grandchild because their student loan was at a very high percentage. A lot of people even like to keep extra reserve in their hand in times of hardship. So let me give you an example. If you are already in a hardship time, say you lost a job or you have a big sickness in the home, then you get the loan, you're not prepared for the second payment, and you don't have another income to fulfill your obligation. Instead, you can take home equity line of credit and just keep it, not use it, because you can only use it when you have another project of income making or another hardship time which you know you have gone through few and you want to be ready for. This all sounds very good, right? But I know some of you have already had dreams and now you have the means to get that dream come true. But few tips here for consideration. Kind of one, interest rates on HELOC loans are variable interest rate. They may increase over time depending on the prime rate, and it may not be possible for you to make that payment. So be careful, work out a good plan if you are tapping into your home equity line of credit and use it wisely. So here is my bonus tip. The bonus tip is make sure to take your home equity line of credit when the prime rates are low. Your final goal is to pay off that equity loan and open another venture, open third venture, open many more doors for you to get income. And guess what? Now you can retire from your regular job. Guys, hope this helps you and you use it. Drop your comments so I feel energized. Thank you. I'm Sonal Shah in Houston metro area. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. My only intention is to share my knowledge in real estate to make you wealthy.